3.3. What is set in the File menu? New visualization pages and virtual group addresses are created under File New. Save saves your current project status on the IP Control Center. Note: the LED at the bottom right shows the memory status. Green means that the current changes are saved. Red means changes are not yet saved. If a new project page or a new virtual object is created, or a new display and operator element is placed on the desktop, these changes are not automatically saved. However, the editor immediately saves a change to communication objects and group addresses. Generate Visualization generates the visualization in HTML format for the project stored in the IP Control Center. It is possible to select individual pages. With Backup, a backup of your entire project is generated, which can be stored in the directory of the commissioning PC. With this backup, both the project status of the graphic web editor, described here, as well as the project status of the Smart Editor are saved. Information about the Smart Editor is listed in Chapter 5. With Restore, an existing project can be loaded into the IP Control Center. In doing so, be aware that possible existing projects of the Graphical Web Editor or the Smart Editor are overwritten. With Import and the selection ESF Read, the ESF file of the ETS project is loaded, as already explained. This contains the group addresses created in the ETS project with their full name. If special characters, such as Greek or Chinese, have been used, the corresponding character set can be pre-selected. In addition, it is possible to define whether existing character texts or defined subdata types should be overwritten. In addition, with the Import Page selection, a single visualization page with all display and controls can be imported. This makes it possible to select and reuse individual visualization pages from an already existing configuration or the sample project. When exporting, individual visualization pages with their display and control elements can be outsourced on the commissioning PC. They are therefore available for other projects. Verify Group Addresses displays how many of the 1,000 possible group addresses loaded directly via the OPC import are being used. Note: this display appears in addition to the message of the used addresses in the status line. The used group addresses are only incremented after saving. Verify Integrity of Group Addresses checks whether the same group addresses after a repeated ESF import have different data lengths. The new data length is not applied. Reboot System completely resets the hardware of the IP Control Center. To avoid data loss, the project should be saved beforehand. The device is rebooted, after which the connection manager is needed for the restart. Exit terminates the web editor and closes the browser. Note: we always recommend using this command to stop the software. Here also, the project should be secured beforehand.